We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States, or another authorized federal official, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
This message has been given authorization for release at the request of myself, the North American Aerospace Defense Command, and the United Nations. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. At 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of 1,000 intercontinental ballistic nuclear missiles from an unknown location. The targets of these missiles are unknown at this time, except for 50 of them. These 50 targets are Los Angeles, California, USA; Las Vegas, Nevada, USA; Houston, Texas, USA; Chicago, Illinois, USA; Columbus, Ohio, USA; Nashville, Tennessee, USA; Atlanta, Georgia, USA; Miami, Florida, USA; Washington, D.C., USA; Baltimore, Maryland, USA; New York City, New York, USA; Boston, Massachusetts, USA; Portland, Maine, USA; Toronto, Ontario, Canada; Montreal, Quebec, Canada; Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada; Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada; Calgary, Alberta, Canada; Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada; London, England, United Kingdom; Dublin, Ireland; Paris, France; Berlin, Germany; Lagos, Nigeria; Nairobi, Kenya; Johannesburg, South Africa; Riyadh, Saudi Arabia; Karachi, Pakistan; New Delhi, India; Beijing, China; Shanghai, China; Yangon, Myanmar; Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia; Hanoi, Vietnam; Seoul, South Korea; Perth, Western Australia, Australia; Melbourne, Victoria, Australia; Sydney, New South Wales, Australia; Christchurch, New Zealand; Manila, Philippines; Tokyo, Japan; Monterrey, Mexico; Mexico City, Mexico; Cancun, Mexico; Bogota, Colombia; Georgetown, Guyana; Brasilia, Brazil; Sao Paulo, Brazil; Lima, Peru; and Buenos Aires, Argentina. All living creatures are advised to seek shelter immediately. You are advised to bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Make sure it is enough to last at least 30 days. Remain calm in these times of uncertainty and fear. We will rise up again as one nation under God, as we have done many times in the past. Before I sign off, I wish to give you an important message. April Fools. That's right, this whole thing is a prank. I'm not even a federal official. I'm just a guy with a voice changer.
There I go. I changed my voice again. You will never be able to find me.
Ha 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 ha. Get wrecked, noobs. Ha 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 ha.